I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today, we will build an intuitive understanding of regularization in machine learning. We'll see what overfitting is, how regularization fixes it, how the lambda parameter controls the strength, and the differences between L2 ridge, L1 lasso, and elastic net. Let's begin with the core problem, regularization, addresses. Overfitting. Overfitting means a model memorizes the noise in the training data and fails to generalize. Here are some sample points. The green line is a simple model, and the red wiggly curve is an overfit model. Notice how the overfit model may get tiny training error, but much larger validation error, while the simple model balances both errors better. Regularization changes the loss we minimize. Total loss equals error plus a regularization penalty. The error term measures how far predictions are from the true targets. The penalty term grows when weights get large, nudging the model to prefer smaller weights and smoother fits. The strength of the penalty is controlled by lambda. When lambda is 0, there is no penalty and the model can overfit. As lambda increases, the model gets smoother and weights get smaller. With a very large lambda, the model may underfit because it is too simple. Now, the main types, L2 regularization, also called ridge, adds for sum of squared weights times lambda. It shrinks all weights towards 0, but rarely exactly to 0. This keeps all features, just with reduced influence. L1 regularization, called Lasso, adds the sum of absolute weights times lambda. Lasso can drive some weights to be exactly 0, which means it performs feature selection automatically. Elastic net combines both penalties. It shrinks many weights like ridge, and can also zero out some like lasso. Regularization also appears in other helpful forms, especially in deep learning. Dropout randomly turns off a fraction of neurons during training, so they do not over-rely on each other. Early stopping watches validation error and stops when it starts to rise. Data augmentation creates varied versions of training examples, like rotated or flipped images, to improve generalization. To choose lambda, we typically use cross-validation to find the sweet spot between bias and variance. With lambda 0, high variance and overfitting. With medium lambda, balanced generalization. With very large lambda, high bias and underfitting. In summary, regularization adds a penalty to discourage overly large weights. Lambda controls the balance between fitting the data and keeping the model simple. Ridge shrinks weights. Lasso selects features by making some weights exactly 0, and elastic net blends both. I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Thanks for learning with me.